I'm just making a small video to show you problems that people are having with these little electric starters of their TECUMSEH 4 horsepower or 5 horsepower engines. So I'm going to show you what goes wrong with these most of the time. What goes wrong most of the time is people say my starter is spinning over but it's not engaging. The problem for this is this little gear right here. It gets jammed on the shaft. This usually happens when you store it in the summertime, or if you don't use it much in the wintertime. It can get corroded or even get a bit of melted snow in there and jam it right on the shaft. So what you want to do is use WD-40 or liquid wrench or some penetrating oil, spray it on the shaft here and try to turn the gear counterclockwise like this, and you're going to see the other side of the shaft where it's got sort of a thread there. You want to oil that really good. You want to make sure that this little spring here is working good. What the spring does is it returns the gear and also keeps the gear in place. So this is what you have to do, is get this unjammed and your starter will work. Another thing too that may go wrong, as long as the motor is not burned, is this switch here. So you can test that by taking the starter apart here, plugging it in. Be very careful doing this, make sure you know what you're doing. And with a voltmeter you can test the volts coming out to the two wires when you push on the switch. And that's about it. So hopefully that's going to help you. And let me know if you have a problem.